Good morning, everybody. I'm really delighted to talk about the new perspectives on 3D point cloud special issue. We have closed this year, the 30th of April, with the Remote Sensing Journal. We know that research on 3D point cloud is a hot topic. We have a lot of application, new researches, new tools, and the research is still in development. We are really happy about the success that we had in this special issue. We had 9 published, high-level published papers that focused on different topic and researches. The keywords of this special issue regarded 3D reality-based sensors, semantic representation and segmentation, machine learning and deep learning that we know is still in development and is really hot topic, artificial intelligence, scan to beam, data extraction, point cloud registration, application of 3D point cloud, 3D analysis, and then AR and VR, of course. The paper that has been published, the titles are From CAD Models to Soft Point Cloud Labels, an automatic annotation pipeline for cheaply supervised 3D semantic segmentation. So the author proposed a full automatic annotation scheme that takes a raw 3D point cloud with a set of fitted CAD model as input and outputs convincing point-wise labels that can be used as cheap training data for point cloud segmentation. The second paper is, the title is A New Approach Toward Corner Detection for Using Point Cloud Registration, and is regards a new point cloud alignment method for extracting corner points and aligning them at the geometric level. The third one, the title is Partial to Partial Point Cloud Registration by Rotation Invariant Features and Spatial Geometric Consistency, and it considered the criticism of the point cloud registration, and it proposed a new learning-based pipeline to address this issue, which can also handle partially overlapping 3D point clouds. Then, rotation invariant graph neural network for 3D point cloud, in which the author proposed a novel rotation normalization technique for point cloud processing using an oriented bounding box. Then we have enriching point clouds with implicit representation for 3D classification and segmentation, in which they propose a method that can be plugged into an existing network architecture as a module without trainable weights, and they introduce a novel local canonicalization approach to ensure the transformation invariance of encoded implicit feature. Then we have a 3D graph-based individual 3 isolation, 3ISO, from terrestrial laser scanning point clouds. The author created this 3ISO that follows the local to global segmentation scheme, and it uses laser scanning, TLS, so laser scanning, terrestrial laser scanning data. Then we have digital data and semantic segmentation, the survey of the ruins of the convent of the Paolotti. This paper regards the description of the process of data acquisition with photogrammetry of the remains of a medieval cloister, and then the use of this 3D point cloud cleaned and optimized to create the reconstruction of the convent and the cloister. Then we have KACM, Key Points Aligned Siamese Network, for the completion of partial TLS point clouds. In this paper, the author used, as we know and from the title, TLS point clouds, and they propose a key points aligned Siamese network for the completion of partial terrestrial laser scanning point cloud. Then we have a review on deep learning algorithms and benchmark datasets for pairwise global point cloud registration. So this paper is as said from the title, a review of all these algorithms, and this is really, really important and hot topic in regarding 3D point clouds. Considering the success of this first special issue, we decided with MDPI Remote Sensing Journal to open a new special issue that is the second part, so new perspectives on 3D point clouds 2, and it is open until the 28th of December. We have by now one paper published, others are under reviews. The first paper published, the title is Enhanced Point Cloud Slicing Method for Volume Calculation of Large Irregular Bodies, Validation in Open Pit Mining. And it uses UAV photogrammetry, LiDAR, acquired point cloud data from open pit mines as a case study, and it calculates volumes for substantial irregular bodies. Since this topic is really important and it's open to really new big possibilities in the research field, we hope that you want to publish something in our special issue, so do not hesitate to contact us if you are willing to propose something. As I said, the deadline for manuscript submission is the 28th of December, and we wait for your papers, your proposals, everything. Thank you very much.
Thank you.